Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I accomplished this look and I'm very excited to show you guys that how it looks and how it came out and everything. So make sure that you watch till the end and yeah. For priming my face, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild primer, and I really love it because it gives that dewy finish. And I'm not really a fan of those primers which give matte finish. So yeah, and as you guys can see, my face looks so shiny and so nice, and it's just so perfect for any makeup. So I let my primer sit for a minute or two and then I move on to the foundation, and I'm mixing two foundations. One is from Maybelline, another one is from Nykaa. All the links and everything are in description, so don't worry. So the key to good makeup is blending, and if you are blending very well, then your makeup definitely will look flawless and amazing. And with foundation, don't mess up with foundation, like it's very important. So blend it really well, take your time and just blend it, and make sure you use a damp beauty blender. So for concealer, I'm going to take this concealer which is from Maybelline, and I really love such concealers like with stick, because I think that with these sticks you have more control over the places where you want to highlight, or places where you want to put your concealer. So I'm gonna make small hearts on the areas where I want to highlight, and yeah, this looks so cute. सो इन मेकअप वट एवर यू अप्लाई, ब्लेंडिंग इज समथिंग जो पीछा छोड़ता ही नहीं है. मतलब कुछ भी करो, फाउंडेशन लगाओ, कंसीलर लगाओ, आई शेडो लगाओ, इन फैक्ट हाईलाइटर लगाओ, आपको ब्लेंड तो करना ही पड़ेगा. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ब्लेंड रियली वेल, एंड इफ़ यू ब्लेंड वेल देन डेफिनेटली पता लगेगी क्या होगा. सारी वीडियो में एक ही बकवास करती हूँ मैं. दैट इज़ कि आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लॉलेस लगेगी, एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्किन अच्छी लगती है, बहुत प्लम्प लगती है और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लॉलेस लगती है. सो टू मेक योर makeup look seamless and that natural look if you want, so blend it really well. So I'm gonna use this powder from Swiss Beauty. It's actually a setting powder, पर मेरे को बिल्कुल डिफरेंस पता नहीं चलता कि ये टैल्कम पाउडर से कैसे कम है, क्योंकि जब भी मैं इसे अप्लाई करती हूँ माई स्किन लुक्स, नॉट माई स्किन, ओवरऑल पूरी जगह, पूरे इन्वायरमेंट में, कैमरा और मेरे बीच में जितना भी स्पेस होता है उसके अंदर पाउडर भर जाता है. ये इतना पाउडरी है, और क्योंकि मैं पहले यूज़ करती थी पाउडर, तो मेरे को पता है कि वो पाउडर के साथ भी यही होता है. सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय एनी अफोर्डेबल सेटिंग पाउडर देन डोंट गो फॉर दिस स्विस ब्यूटी. नो, नेवर. इसका सेटिंग पाउडर तो बिल्कुल नहीं, इसके और प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे अच्छे, बट नो, दिस इज़ अ बिग नो. पर मेरे पास फ़िलहाल यही है, सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस. So for contouring and bronzing, I'm gonna use this Nykaa Hydrating Compact, which is in little darker color. And yeah, I'm gonna use this on my forehead, on my cheekbone, and on all the places, even on my eyes and even on my nose. So if you know that three banane wala technique, so you can use that. I don't know that. I have tried a million times, पर वो कभी मेरे से नहीं बना. तो मैं इस तरीके से अप्लाई करती हूँ. अगर आपसे भी वो नहीं थ्री बनता तो आप इसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. तो ये ब्रश मैंने इसलिए चेंज करा है क्योंकि जो थोड़ा डार्क कलर होता है हमारी नोज़ के पास, वो हमारे आईज तक जाता है और इनफैक्ट क्रीज तक जाता है. तो मैं पहले अपने नोज़ को कॉन्टोर करूँगी इस बड़े वाले ब्रश से. इसको मैंने थोड़ा दबा रखा है ताकि ये नोज़ की लेंथ में ही रहे, एंड देन मैं इसको ऊपर आइज तक लेके जाऊँगी जब वो सारा अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा नोज़. तो मैंने अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लिया है, एंड आज यू कैन सी ये एकदम सीमलेस लग रहा है. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माय जैकलिन हिल पैलेट एंड आई एम गोना यूज़, so oh wow, the name of the color is Spooky, so I'm going to use this Spooky in my crease area, and I'm going to blend it really well, and especially on the outer corners. And I'm going to take this color again and again, and I want to build the darkest of this color. So moving on to the next color, I'm going to use this Pooter or Potter, whatever the color is. So I'm gonna use this color, and I'll be using this color on my eyelids and then blend it with the color of my crease. And now moving on to the next color, which is this silk creme, and I'm gonna use this color with my uh, like on my lids, and I'm not going to blend it with the crease color or any other color. It's just going to stay on lids. बात में निकल गया. The color which I am using is Jax something, and I am not liking this palette because of the names. I don't know the correct pronunciation of these words, but yeah, I'm gonna use this on my outer corners to give it smoky look. So I'm gonna blend it very well, and as of now it looks like orange smoky eye, but we're gonna change it and blend it into something really fun. And now I'm gonna use this color which is called Central Park, and I'm gonna use this on my outer corners to give my eyes more definition and to change the color little bit to warm up this orange even more. The other color I'm taking is my personal favorite, that is Roxane something. And yeah, I'm gonna use this on my outer corners. And for this, I'm using a clean blending brush, because if I use same brush for all the colors, तो वो अपने आप ही मिलजुल के अलग अलग कलर्स बना लेंगे, और फिर उनको ब्लेंड करना और अपना जो लुक हमें चाहिए, जो कलर्स चाहिए, वो लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So what I'm doing is I'm changing my brush, and if you are trying different colors on your eyes, then make sure that you change your brush. Can you guys see the difference? मतलब एक आई बहुत ज़्यादा डिफाइन लग रही है, दूसरी वाली नहीं लग रही. वो इसलिए क्योंकि मैंने एक और आई शेडो कलर यूज़ करा है और वो मैंने दिखाया नहीं है. That is the darkest one, Abyss something, which is I think the black color in the palette. So I'm gonna use this for my outer crease, outer corners. So I'm done with my eye makeup, like my eyeshadow and with my eyeliner. And for waterline, I'm gonna take this color, which is Central Park, and I'm gonna go with like very smoothly with this small brush. And yeah, as you can see, it's really giving my eyes that definition. It's making it look, stand out. Now I'm gonna take this brow creator palette from Miniso, and I'm gonna do my brows. And as you guys know, all I know is how to use the brow gel on my eyebrows, and that is the only thing which I know and which is only I'm capable of doing. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, after brushing my brow hair with this little brow brush, I'll get my perfect brow. And there are so many people, like so many friends of mine who ask कि इतना छोटा सा brush ही क्यों use करना है. So I use this brush because ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है, उसी हिसाब से इसका brush है. और when I apply it on my brows, तो ये एकदम उसी line में रहता है, if that makes sense. तो इसलिए मैं बड़े वाले पे switch नहीं करती, although it's a little uncomfortable, but it's okay, it's worth it. So I'm gonna use this mascara, and I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild, that is Pinch Me Pink. It's very light nude pink, and I'm gonna use it on my cheekbone and on my forehead and all the parts where I feel like I want that, nude pink color. So I'm gonna use this with the fluffy brush. As you guys can see, even after applying इतना सारा, और अभी भी वो पिंक कलर नहीं आ रहा है मेरे फेस पे. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई लव अबाउट ब्लशेस. सच ब्लशेस आर लाइक एवरीथिंग. दैट इज़ समथिंग टू डाई फॉर. सो yeah, now I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lipstick. I'm not the Swiss Beauty highlighter because I hate Swiss Beauty today because of all the powdery stuff that happened earlier. So I'm gonna use this highlighting palette and I'm gonna use this color. And my brush is little wet, and as you guys can see my face, it's like the highlighter is glowing like literally a bulb. Maybe it's looking so good, and it's just because of the wet brush. And this is, I don't know, a technique that if you have something less pigmented, then all you have to do is use a wet brush, and when you apply it, that pigment, that will something to die for. It will look so good and it will come out so great. And yeah, just give it a try, it looks awesome. And as you can see, my highlighter looks amazing and it's so on point. So I'm highlighting all the main areas, my nose, my uh, all the, like, highlighting areas, and especially the lips. On the bottom side of the lips, it's very important to highlight that part, because when you highlight that, your lower lip will look more plump, if that makes sense. So I do highlight this as well, and also the area under the eyebrows. These two things are like very 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 important. The third one is the nose, and of course then the other rest of the things, whatever you like to highlight. So now I'm gonna take this fan brush because I want this highlighter to blend, so I'm gonna use this with this brush. And I do not prefer to use this big brush for highlighter, to be honest, because this is way too big and I want to have control over the colors, over the things which I'm putting on my face. Otherwise I will hardly take 1 or 2 seconds to look like a clown. Like, seriously, I can't do that. But whatever, I'm gonna blend this with the fan and it looks perfect. So, yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. And now comes my unnecessary playing with fan brush to bring out the amazing montage, which is not amazing at all. Okay, so thank you for bearing this long video for with me, and of course for me and with me. I love you. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. EXO.